Welcome back, fellow maidens. It is I, the Dark Fair Maiden, and today we're back with our fourth and final Halloween special tutorial, and today we are doing Jack Skellington, the Pumpkin King. I'll just walk you through the tutorial on how to do this makeup look for your Halloween. So if you want to start off with flattening your eyebrows, you'll use a Pritt stick for this. Run the Pritt over your eyebrows 5 times, and then use an eyebrow comb to comb that through. You want to add at least 2 to 3 layers of the Pritt, let it dry in between. And then once you've added your Pritt and you feel confident that they are stuck down, then you can use a foundation or concealer to matte those out, just to kind of give it a skin complexion so it's easier to paint over. I also use some colour correcting cream as this is a white base and I don't want any pigmentation to show through. I then go in with a snazzy white face paint. I use a small brush to apply this and a very small amount of water to the paint. I then apply this to my neck and chest area. I then go in a second layer of face paint and I touch up with a third layer just in patchier areas. You then want to go in with the eyeshadow. And this is just a black eyeshadow I use. I want to make sure that this is symmetrical as possible because it's going to stand out quite a lot against the white face paint. I use that same eyeshadow to define my jawbone area. And around my forehead. I then use the same eyeshadow to create definition around my nose. Next, for the eyebrows, use an eyeliner pencil to roughly sketch out the eyebrow you want to create, and then I use face paint to fill them in. You can use eyeshadow or just your eyeliner pencil. I line out the mouth with eyeliner and fill in the stitches. And this doesn't have to be perfect, I mean the weirder it looks, the better it looks. I then line my lips. I try and create like a different style of lip. So I create a really pointy top lip to kind of represent these stitches.
Boys and girls of every age, would you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see this our town of Halloween. This is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene. Trick or treat, till the neighbors gonna die of fright.
It's our town, everybody scream!
In this town of Halloween,
I am the one hiding under your bed, teeth ground sharp and eyes glowing red.
I am the one hiding under your stairs, fingers like snakes and spiders in my hair.
this is Halloween, this is Halloween. Halloween, 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 Halloween. In this town we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise.
Round that corner man, hiding in a trash can, something's waiting out to pounce and howl. You'll scream.
This is Halloween. Red and black, slimy green. Aren't you scared?
Well, that's just fine. Say it once, say it twice, take a chance and roll the dice. Ride with the moon in the dead of night.
Everybody scream! Everybody scream!
I am the clown with the tearaway face.
Here in a flash and gone without a trace.
I am the who when you call, who's there? I am the wind blowing through your hair.
I am the shadow on the moon at night, filling your dreams to the brim with fright.
This is Halloween, this is Halloween. Halloween, 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 Halloween.
Tender love names everywhere. Life's no fun without a good scare.
That's our job.
But we're not mean in our town of Halloween.
In this town, don't we love it now? Everyone's waiting for the next surprise.
Skeleton Jack might get you in the back and scream like a banshee, make you jump out of your skin. This is Halloween, everybody scream.
Won't you please make way for a very special guy?
Come and Jack is king of the pumpkin patch. Everyone hail to the pumpkin king. Now this is Halloween, this is Halloween. Halloween, 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 Halloween.
In this town we call home. Everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all very much for watching, and farewell.